Hi, I'm Andy from Highway and Heavy Parts, and I'm here to talk to you about actuator options on variable geometry turbochargers. We sell two different options on our turbochargers and actuators. We'll sell a turbocharger with an actuator, and that's called a long turbocharger. Long turbocharger consists of an actuator, and then we sell a short turbocharger that is without an actuator. And then last, you can buy just the actuator itself if that's what you need. So the beauty of our actuators, number one, they're brand new. We do charge you a core, it's because we want to get them back. The manufacturer asks for the core back, but it's a brand new actuator. The actuators, we pre-calibrate them. So you are able to take that actuator out of the box, put it on your turbocharger, and bolt that turbocharger onto the engine. No computers needed, no going to the dealer. It's a great way to save money if you just need an actuator. If you just need the turbocharger, you can do that as well, what we call a short turbocharger. If you want turbocharger and actuator, we call it a long turbocharger. Those two pieces go together, make a long turbocharger. We have multiple options for you. Remember, the actuator is brand new. It comes pre-calibrated. All you have to do is bolt it on the turbocharger, put your turbocharger on, and you're ready to go.